Hello, and welcome back to our Jira Guru series. Today we will tackle an important aspect of Jira: notification schemes. We understand that navigating through Jira can sometimes be challenging, especially for beginners. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through common issues and provide you with practical solutions. To avoid notification issues, you should learn how to set up notification schemes first. First, navigate to the main menu and select Issues. This will open up a list of issue-related options. From here, select Notification Schemes to open the Notification Schemes page. Now click the Add Notification Scheme button to begin setting up a new scheme. On the Add Notification Scheme page, you'll need to enter a name for your new scheme and provide a short description. This is especially helpful when working with multiple schemes. Once you've filled out the information, click Add. This will bring you to the Edit Notifications page. On the Edit Notifications page, you can start adding notifications and recipients. And there you have it. You've just created a notification scheme in Jira. Associate a notification scheme with a project or project board. Go to your project and click Project Settings. Choose Notifications. Click the Actions drop-down menu and choose Use a different scheme. On the subsequent Associate Notification Scheme to Project page, which lists all available notification schemes, select the notification scheme you want to associate with the project and click the Associate button. That's all it takes for a newbie to get started with notification scheme in Jira. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.